So my wife and I pressure washed this whole driveway in less than half an hour. When people use the pressure washer, they think there's a set of wheels already, so they leave it at that. But this is difficult to maneuver when using those two wheels. So I put it on a cart like this. It's much easier to maneuver. Second thing is they just use the wand. This will take a long time. You have to use a surface cleaner like this and buy one with wheels. Don't buy anything without wheels. And then one of the major problems also is starting the pressure washer. You have to make sure the water is turned on, connected, and you have to release the pressure in your washer. Squeeze the trigger, release the pressure, prime your carburetor, then you pull. And then when it is hard to pull, release the pressure again, then pull. Otherwise, it's very difficult to start. On some small engines, they have like a pressure release. That would be your pressure release. And if you really can't start it when it's compression lock, take out the spark plugs, rotate the engine, put it back in, and then your pressure washer should be able to start. So when using the pressure washer, start at a high spot as the water will run downward. So you want the dirty water to flow into your sidewalk or into the street. So you start at a high spot and use a surface washer first. Just do it slowly. Don't sweep the washer around too quickly. If you do that, it won't clean that well. Just take it slow. It's mostly the mold that I'm trying to clean off, and I don't really use any detergent. You can if your driveway or your house is particularly dirty, you can use detergent, but as a rule I don't use it, and I don't need to rinse it off if I'm just using water. So your job will be much easier if you have someone working with the hose and pushing the pressure washer, so you don't have to spray and clean and then go back and position the pressure washer. So just an extra person to help out would be much easier. So my wife already used the surface washer to clean off the dirt, and I'm just using the wand to spot clean any particularly dirty area, and then just to lightly rinse off all the dirt. That's all you have to do it. Or you can hire someone to do it. They'll charge you at least a couple of $100, and they won't do as nice a job as you can. And while you're at it, you can wash your car, clean the sidings of your house, and water your lawn and flowers at the same time. Remember not to direct any of the pressurized water towards yourself, or you can get hurt. So buy a real pressure washer, not one of those spray guns that attaches to your garden hose. They won't do much. And if possible, buy a gas one. They'll last a long time. And when you're doing a big job, take a break after half an hour, let the engine rest a bit, then you can continue again, and the washer will last many, many years. All right. Thanks for watching.